Happy Saturday. I just wanted to share with you a few things that I found and I'm going to be using in some upcoming videos. And these are all Dollar Tree, I always get the colored index cards because I use them for a lot of stuff. A lot. So this time I'm going to be using the pink and the blue, maybe some of the teal. So, and then the yellow ones, if I don't like them, I just turn them into pockets or whatever. And then I got these. These I got for my workplace. Just to make, kind of personalize my office a little. And then these are just some greeting cards. Those go out whenever I send out Happy Mail or whatever. And then I got the green of these last time. This time I got pink. Sticky notes. I like these. Those come in real handy. And then I always buy the sequins for shakers or whatnot. So I got those. And then I'm pretty sure I thought I got 2 of these paper tags for $1.25. Now, I'm not knocking any specialty stores, but a name brand store, 2 name brand stores comes to mind, that these are like $7 or $8. Right? And I thought for my Shabby Chic journal I'm working on, these would be perfect. So I'm going to work on those. And then I got some little tiny safety pins. They're mixed. There's some little bit larger ones, and then I think some medium-sized ones. But what I'm going to do with these guys is I'm going to rust them. So that's them. And I'm going to rust them, and I'm going to put them right back in here after they've been rusted. So these I'll use in my journals. And that was it. That was really all. I got some other stuff, but I really have to find this other pack. I got some gardening supplies and some garden scissors, etc. But mostly that's what I got. And these I'm going to be using along with the pink. I use more of the pink index cards than anything else. But that's my Saturday showcase from the big Dollar Tree store here in Grant County, New Mexico. Well, one of. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.